There's nothing worse than arriving at your travel nurse assignment and realizing your housing situation isn't up to par. Here are some tips on how to avoid a housing disaster. First of all, you should know that if you decide to go with agency housing, they will do all of the work for you. They will research the location and set up your utilities. So what can go wrong, right? For starters, when the agency makes your living accommodations, you have less control of your situation as far as location and style of housing. The good thing is that it's less work for you. Your other option is to find your own housing. When you choose this option, the agency will give you a set stipend or dollar amount towards your living expenses. Then you'll have to do your own research and find something that you can afford. This gives you more freedom to find the exact amenities and location you're looking for, but also leaves more room for error. Whether you go with agency housing or find your own, follow these 5 tips to avoid disaster. 1. Make sure to tell your recruiter any special needs that you have. 2. Read reviews about the housing before you move so you know exactly what other people's experiences were like there. 3. Ask lots of questions to both the people managing the housing and your agency. 4. Research the neighborhood so that you know what crime is like in that area and what conveniences surround you. 5. Have a backup plan. If you get there and your housing isn't what you were promised, know that you have somewhere else to go temporarily until it's all sorted out. Sometimes bad things just happen, no matter how much you plan ahead. If you get yourself into a housing situation that you're not comfortable with, from bug infestations to unsafe neighborhoods, here's what you should do. 1. Don't wait to see if it's going to get better. Tell your recruiter and your agency right away so that you can get out. 2. If you truly feel unsafe, don't stay. It's better to leave and get yourself into a safe location like a hotel. Worry about the money later. Never put yourself in jeopardy. 3. Stay calm. No matter the situation, in the end, it will lead to a good story and a valuable learning experience. You'll get through it. What are some other things travel nurses should keep an eye out for when they arrive at a new living situation? Leave your tip in the comments.